He's the second guy like
Kitten, wait for a bit.
Demon came to them when they were kids. Now they're killing people. We don't know what
This is Tigger. She's very interesting.
I just eat him. You don't have sound.
Yes, I do. You just can't hear it. You can't play the sound off the camera, but if you put it on the computer, you do.
Yeah, maybe this is his plan. Maybe we'll
I tried putting one of those things onto, was it?
Maybe we're supposed to be
killers?
Yeah,
The demon wants you out there killing with your minds, is that it? Oh, give me a break. You're not a murderer, Sam. You don't have it in your bones.
It doesn't work.
No. Last I checked, they kill all kinds of things.
Those things are asking for it. Difference.
Lick.
Yeah, she's got fleas. Tigger is Tigger is the tabby. That one flapping her tail is Poison Ivy shift. I think she thinks she's a dog. Hence the yeah. The world is their playground.
Okay, eat the cut.